my first journey, my first train journey. It's a very excitement story. When I was at high school, reading in class 10, there was a third ceremony of my younger brother in my house. So I had to go to Burla, where my uncle was living there. So the first card was to be sent to my uncle's home. So I had to go to Hirakud station from Titlagar. So my father dropped me at the railway station, and the train was about half an hour late. So I waited there. My father returned home, and at that time there were two trains. One was at platform number 1, then the other was at platform number 3. I had to go to platform number 3 to
catch the exact train.
There was the exact train where I was to travel. But unfortunately, the train was the same train. One was from Koraput, Howrah, the other was Howrah, Koraput. One was train, one was down train. So, I had to go in the up train, but I stepped in the down train.
Oh.
So, and I stepped in and slept in my seat. So I couldn't know where I am going. It was 4 hours after travel.
Oh,
so I slept in my seat. When I
switch on the eyes.
There was a station Muniguda. At Rayagada. That's the Muniguda. New to me. So I asked persons who were nearby. They told me that you have entered in the wrong train. You just stepped out at the station, and you will get the next train at 6 p.m. in the evening. It was 4 hours late. So at the time there was no phone, mobile phone. My uncle was there at the Hirakud station. He had come to receive me. He did not find me in the train. So he returned his home. I then get a ticket in the evening train and reached Hirakud at about 10 p.m. night, 10:30 p.m. And I stepped out from the station and he started going in the PCO. Then I called my uncle's home. He then came and took me with him, and they laughed at me. My first train journey was this kind of very funny journey. So that was thank you.
Funny and frightening.